Hi guys and gals, Froggy here. This is a set of original equipment, Speedline commemorative edition. That's 2004 Corvette was the commemorative edition. These are Speedline rims, and I'm going to show you some detail. These two are 18-inch by, let me look. There you go, 18-inch by 10.5, and the offset, it looks like 58. There's your Speedline. These are Italian. These are the fronts. These are 17. Let's look. $17, 9.5. The offset's 54. Speedline. Made in Italy. Now there's no curb rash on any of these at all. Normal, small little marks on them. No curb rash. I'm going to put these on my YouTube channel and eBay and Corvette forum. One of them has a small crack on the inside barrel, and it was not losing air when I took it off, so it doesn't extend any more than what you see right there. I'll show you the other side there. So that's it. I am taking off $100 from the final price. $100 should be more than enough to get it MIG welded, and if you weld yourself, you can save yourself some money. If you're interested and you're on my YouTube channel, post a comment, give me some kind of contact information, I will get back to you. If you're on the Corvette forum, send me a PM, that's a private message. And if you're on eBay, you know how.